You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more about wine and more pronunciations, I've got more videos for you. So British English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the UK, wine cellar, wine cellar, wine cellar. In the US, however, the American English pronunciation is more as wine, this is Australian, wine cellar, wine cellar. American pronunciation, wine cellar, versus British, wine cellar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.